Hi everyone, today I'm going to make one of my kids' favorite dishes, buttermilk fried chicken. It's crispy, it's juicy, it's crunchy, it's egg-free, and most of all, it's delicious. Let's start with our spice mix. We're going to start with garlic powder, onion powder, ground ginger, ground coriander, regular paprika, smoked paprika, celery seed, chicken powder, and black pepper. Here's my chicken. I like to use an organic 4-pound chicken for this. I'm going to cut the chicken into 10 pieces. 2 legs, 2 thighs, 2 wings, and 2 breasts, and then cut each breast into 2 pieces. I like to save all my backbones, and when I have enough, I'll use them to make a fresh chicken stock. Now to marinate the chicken, I'm using 2 tablespoons of our spice mix, 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, and 2 cups of buttermilk. Put everything in a container, mix it up, and let it sit. Ideally, you want it to sit for 24 hours to let the buttermilk start to break down the chicken and tenderize. Here I'm mixing all-purpose flour, gluten-free flour, cornstarch, our seasoning mix, and fine sea salt. Take the chicken from the buttermilk and put it right into the flour. You want to squeeze the flour onto the chicken until all the buttermilk soaks up the flour. After this, put it onto a sheet tray, line them up, let them sit for about 45 minutes. This is going to let the flour rehydrate and give you a nice crispy chicken. Here I have my vegetable oil heated to 315 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to fry my chicken in small batches to make sure I maintain the temperature of the oil. Once the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, line it on a sheet tray with paper towels and racks to let it rest. And there you have it, crispy, crunchy, juicy, eggless fried chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time!